number and you want them to do the operation. They don't understand why it is like that. So, but that's why I try to break it down that 3A means A. 5A means A into 5 places. Now, this is different from A power 3 or A power 5. It's a different thing. A power 5 is a different thing. Now, this is term. We call it a term. Let me get space. When you have 3A or you have 3A, this is a term. A term. A term. In this term, it is positive. It is plus 3A. Positive. In this term, we have the sign plus, we have digit 3, we have A. Now, in the time, this 3 is called coefficient. Coefficient of A. Coefficient of A. So when you see a number standing before a letter, that number is the coefficient in that term. If it is 5A, 5 here is coefficient of A. Coefficient of A. So this is for this operation. Now, let's now begin to talk about like terms and unlike terms. Now, in this procedure, in this operation, we are able to add these two because they are like terms. Like terms mean they both have AA. If it is 3A plus 5B, 3A plus 5B, this cannot be added together because they are unlike terms. This is like terms. This is unlike terms. Unlike terms. So in the unlike terms, you cannot add it together because B and A are not the same. So the answer will simply be equals to 3A plus 5B. That is the operation. While for like terms, because they are the same, you can add it together. I think that is clear. Now, let's continue. So when we now have, let's set an example using like terms. Only one example, like terms. Like terms. That is, terms that are the same. They are likes. So I say 6x minus 3x plus x plus 2x minus x. All these are like terms. I don't want to make it to be long like this. Now, in these like terms, you can do it the operation. This 6 is plus 6. This is plus 6x. This is minus 3x. This is plus x. This is plus 2x. This is minus x. If you want to do the operation, say plus 6 minus 3. We said before that positive plus is what you have, minus is what you borrow, what does not belong to you, but you borrow it. So if you say plus 6 minus 3, you are going to simply have plus 3x. Plus 3x. If you say plus s plus 2s, you should also have plus 3s, then minus x. Then plus 3s plus 3s, you have plus 6x. Then bring minus s, this is what you borrow. You have 6s, like I said, you now, this 6s mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then minus s. Meaning, if you remove this one, just take 1 out of that 6. To remain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer will be plus 5x for this procedure. Plus 5x for that procedure. Now, we continue from here in our next episode. So as you are following us, we are going to get to a point that you need to appreciate why we are laying this foundation. Thank you.